Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Arbok from Pokemon. Drawing in general, everyone has their own personal style, so do what's best for you or whatever is comfortable to draw in illustration. Some people like to draw the face first or watch others how to draw a particular thing to gain an idea. As you can see right now, I'm drawing a rough outline sketch of Arbok. Once I'm done drawing the rough sketch of Arbok, I'm moving over to the head to start drawing in the eyes. For the eye, I drew a triangle, and in the middle of the triangle I drew a line for the pupil, filling it in with the pencil. Now using the rough sketch I drew before, I'm just darkening the line to give Arbok's head more structure and defined shape. Moving over here, I'm just going to draw two small dots, 1, 2, buckle my shoe for Arbok's nose. And moving across right over here, I'm going to start drawing the mouth. Just going to draw a curved line going down, and from the other side right here, I'm going to connect it all together to create the full shape of Arbok's mouth. Now we're going to draw the tongue. To draw the tongue, we're going to draw like a wave line, and at the end of the tongue, I'm going to draw a curved line to make the shape of the tongue, just like this. Once you're done drawing the tongue, we're going to move over to the top layer of Arbok's mouth and draw the teeth at the corners, and on the bottom, just draw the teeth too. To draw the teeth, I just drew in triangles. As you can see right now, I'm just putting the video into a time-lapse just to darken out the lines. Right below the line right here, we're going to start drawing the detail work inside of Arbok, and I'm drawing an arrow shape, just like this. After we're done drawing the arrow, we're going to draw two small ovals inside near the end of the point. Moving over to the left side, we're going to start drawing a teardrop shape. And we're just going to repeat that same step, but drawing a smaller teardrop inside what we just drew before. After we drew that, we're just going to draw a small backwards heart. And for the right side, we're just going to repeat the same steps that we did for the left side. Draw a teardrop and a heart inside. Alright, cool. Once you're done drawing those two, we're going to move below right here, drawing a curved line going up, and doing the same on the opposite side, drawing a curved line. And from this line, we're just going to draw the curved line connecting it together, creating a point at the end. Now we're going to move on to the bottom proportion of Arbok. And basically what I'm doing is right now is just darkening the lines that I drew before for my rough sketches and adding in lines inside the tail for detail work. This part is pretty simple, so I won't be explaining as much into detail because I'm drawing a few lines and outlining my rough sketch. As you noticed throughout the whole video, I put a reference photo of Arbok. Hopefully it'd be helpful to give you an idea of what to draw next. And once you're done drawing the tail, you're all done drawing Arbok. For the rest of the video, I'm going to put it into a time lapse to show you my outlining and coloring Arbok. Hey, if you're listening to this right now, that means you reached to the end of the video. I'd like to say thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next drawing of Pokemon.